Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character Ji, step by step. I will first write it in regular scripts, then following one word and one sentence. Now let's write. Ji. To calculate. To plan. Meter. For example, 妙计. Excellent plan. I do have an excellent plan. 我确实有妙计。Do have an excellent plan. 我确实有妙计。我确实有妙计。I do have an excellent plan. 我确实有妙计。计 in cursive. Ji, to calculate, to plan, meter. 妙计 excellent plan. I do have an excellent plan. 我确实有妙计。计 Please comment any words or sentence with the character Ji. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.